Hey, how are you?
I am good. How are you?
I am great. I went to the park this morning.
Nice. I love parks. What did you do there?
I just walked. Enjoyed the sunshine. What about you? Any plans?
I don't know, maybe a coffee.
Oh, cool. I tried this new cafe downtown. It's awesome.
Really? I love coffee. What's it called?
It's called Cafe Number 1. You should see it.
Definitely I will see it. By the way, did you see that cute dog at the park today?
Oh, the fluffy one. Yes, it is awesome.
I wanted to pet it, but the owner was busy. Maybe, next time.
We should go to the park together. Let me know when you are free.
I am free on the weekend.
Okay, it is great. So, do you watch movies?
Yes, I do.
What do you watch?
I watch cartoon. I love watching cartoon.
What is your favorite cartoon?
SpongeBob is my favorite. I can watch SpongeBob anytime.
SpongeBob is really good.
I agree with you.
By the way, did you hear about the new ice cream shop?
No way. I'm in love with ice cream.
They have the best chocolate. We should go there sometime.
Absolutely. Let's plan it.
Okay, we have 2 dates.
Haha, yes. You were right. Okay, bye for now.
Okay, see you later.